Here is the Innovv K2 motorcycle 2-channel camera system, and on some of them there is a known issue that when you connect, for example, power supply to the main unit, you cannot fully tighten this part here, and the result will be that there is a loose connection and it's not waterproof. The same will be with the antenna part, GPS antenna part. The reason is that this threaded part here, as you can see, it's not rounded. It's more like an egg shape or oval shape. So I found the easiest solution just to use the hair dryer, and I actually already tried on the other set and it worked well. So it's about 20-second, 30-second maximum. I used the medium heat. And now, as you can see, it's become quite soft, so now it's quite easy to connect it, and this solves the problem. So yeah, because it's still hot and it cures back to its original shape. The egg shape probably will be a little bit hard at the end, but yeah, now it's nice tight connection and it's waterproof now. So the same I will do with the GPS antenna part. So I think on the first place, when the plastic was ejected from the mold, this part, the threaded part, they didn't let to cure completely, and probably it was sent to the packaging or test department, and something during transportation was pushing or squeezing. So that's why some of those models may have this initially the egg shape threaded part of the connection. But yeah, just use the hair dryer, soften it, and nothing's gonna happen. It's not that hot, because as you saw, even I could use hands here. So this will solve the problem. Thank you for watching.